You are able to change the color of the shapes that you have on your mat to make it visually appealing by selecting the shape and then coming over to the Artist palette and then choosing the Fill Color. Once you click on the color here, this window will appear. You can choose from the color gradient that you see here or some of the pre-selected colors. I'm going to go ahead and choose red and hit OK. Now, another reason why you may want to color your items is because when you are going to cut, you are able to cut by color, which makes that nice as well. But you can select a single shape or you can select multiple shapes and go to the Artist palette and change the color. And that is how you change the color inside of CreateSpace.